Whoa, this is 4K 120. I'm using this phone right now, the 17 Pro, just to try it out. Because eventually I need to do my 3-day, even though now it's going to be a 1 week and a 1 month review. But man, this is what I have assembled for my iPad Mini 2 setup thus far. I'm still not sure what case to buy exactly. There's a $25 one and a $14 one. I'm pretty sure I want the $25 one, but for now, I bought this at Walmart for like $7. It's just a dumb stand. Basically, that's all I'm going to use it for. It's just a stand like this. But I also have a silent wireless mouse that is made with 20% recycled plastic. This is one of those logitech ones, but it was right next to the On or ONN brand. So, I mean, maybe it's a collab. Maybe it's just Logitech making very, very inexpensive mouses. But I did see this. So, I think I kind of messed up on that part. Whoopsies. So, yeah, it needs a USB connection to actually function. Whoopsies. I guess I'll have to buy a Bluetooth one. This is a little embarrassing, but maybe I'll find a use for this eventually down the line. The Bluetooth keyboard is Bluetooth as it's upside down right now. So at least I can test this part of the layout or setup, however I'm going to actually call this thing. Let's see, Bluetooth. Oh, why is it not? Oh yeah, I called this the Bible pad. So far, it's not seeing any connection. Oh, maybe if I hit the connect button, it will be better for this. Oh, yep, right away. Oh, okay. It is connected. So it says it's connected, so let's see if we can type something. This is theory, so let's try Antarctica. Oh, cool, autocorrect worked. Antarctica, let's see, wall. I'm trying to do this through the tiny phone screen, and it's not working the best. Antarctica wall. I guess theory. Well, it works. I don't know if I exactly like this setup. Now that I have this going for me, I think I kind of want like one of those mouse pads. I don't know what the best way to say they are. It's kind of like one of those chest ones from anime, but I kind of want to get like a normal looking one. So I also need like a long bar one. So like when I'm typing, I'm not directly typing on the edge like this. So it's a old enough iOS that it's not working because it says it needs to like update. I guess I can try Safari. Okay, so it's working on Safari apparently, and let me try typing it now. Antarctica wall theory? Let's see if it plays on the web, on Safari. Antarctica is the only place on Earth okay. Doesn't belong. It's a 5.5 million square mile desert of ice that I wonder if this has... No, it does not have the ability to multitask, I don't think. No, it doesn't. Dang it. It seems like most of YouTube is working. The big problem we have if I use this device for studying and for YouTube purposes is that it's such an old device that only the video is playing, and it doesn't give me a description. It doesn't give me suggested videos. But I guess in some some certain circumstances, that's a great thing. I can only focus on the main video while I'm studying. Now, it does suck I can't do anything like taking notes, but I guess, I could technically have this on my iPad over there and then use this to take notes. So I can basically have like two monitors going, but one monitor is for writing and one of them is for watching YouTube videos. You know, I don't really use books like this. I usually have this device standing up, oh wow, sorry. So it's a little weird using it like this, like when it's horizontal. Though iBooks is one of the best ways to get ebooks that are paid for, because I mean, not everybody wants to use Kindle. It's a little odd on this device because I mean, well, it looks too small when it's horizontal, but when you're having it facing vertical, yeah, that just looks better. But I mean, this is going to be my study like setup that I have going on right now. So I guess I just got to get used to this type of reading style. Also, when you're searching the web, you kind of want to have it like this anyways, because this looks more like a computer screen. I mean, I have seen computer screens that are like this, but I don't use them for my setup because it looks weird. Or if I'm looking at like maybe like stock data, then I would have it like this. But most of the time, whenever I'm looking at something, it's just like this. So far, the setup is going well. I like the wireless keyboard, and I also like the stand that I have right now. Eventually, I do want a utility case because, well, this needs to be a little bit more mobile when it comes to like the putting away process. But so far, I really do like this setup right now. Though having a Bluetooth mouse would be a lot better. This one, like I said earlier, you do need a USB port for. But I mean, there could technically be a lightning cable, USB, whatever support, but I don't know. For now, I took a big L on the mouse. I'll use this basically for another setup somewhere down the line, but for now, this is what I have. Also, if you are a fan of this channel or you just want to see more content like this, how do you like 120 FPS 4K resolution? Like, this is taking a lot of storage on my device, so it's going to be a little rough for me. But if I do need to get another one of these devices, well, then, you know, I just have to bear with the pain of trying to invest into the channel.